Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Um, as you guys can tell by my emotions and like how I'm coming about this video, um, I blew my 300K account. Um, how I blew it is from being a fucking complete degenerate, uh, being a dumbass. Uh, it's close to payout, not even close to payout. It's just not even close to payout, man. It's just the fact that I was handling my losses great, and then it all went to shit. And I'm gonna break down what happened and what I constantly happens in my mind while I'm tilting and while before it even happens. Uh, what triggered me today? Um, and this could be a learning lesson for myself when I look back at this. And yeah, but as you guys can see, I'm not in the. I'm really. I mean, I just got back from a walk, but coming back and looking at this and talking about it is really depressing. You know what I mean? It's really depressing. Before I went on that walk, you already know I was going crazy, crying. Uh, Basically in my mind, I don't know what the fuck to do. Because stressed about money and wanting money, and you know what I mean, and it affects my trading. It affects my life because the money part, you know what I mean, and where it shouldn't be affecting my trading. Uh, but let's break down exactly how I lost my account, how it's completely gone. So as you guys can see, it is you can see the executions and shit and all of that, right? Bias going in for today was kind of neutral, but bearish when I was looking at the daily chart. It was bearish. I was looking for previous daily low, and then I was thinking that it could attack the previous weekly low. But at the same time, I was bullish, thinking that because GU ran out this previous daily low, had a displacement. I was thinking it could go higher. But what I did was I took a normal trade, which I really could have avoided and and actually waited for a better confirmation. But I took a trade and I took that loss, and it was a cool loss, like boom, whatever, right? Um, Even though I could have avoided it, taking a buy here. Then what I did was I went ahead and took a sell because I'm like, okay, since the buy didn't work out, that means it's most likely drawn lower in previous daily lows and shit. Um, so I took this EU sell here after we closed back through this 5 minute fair value gap, this fair value gap on the 15 minute, and then I took the entry right here. Right, put my stop right above this up close candle. I mean this part right here. What happened was it was a normal risk. It was normal risk, but I had a lockout. I set a risk settings on my account to where it locks me out when I lose $750. So when I took this trade here, before it even, I forgot all about it. Before it even touched my stop loss, it hit me out. It hit me out right here, right? Mind you, when that happened, I'm trying to figure out, yo, what the fuck happened? Like, well, I'm confused, right? And then I remembered when I went to go look at my trading account, and that I didn't lose the max draw. Like, I didn't lose the account. Like, I didn't risk that much. Like, what happened, right? I'm confused. So I already just took a loss, and then I just took this loss, right? When it didn't even hit my stop. So that, for one, put me on a 5 out of 10, on me tilting already, because it was a little emotional, right? So as price started running away, I started getting FOMO. I didn't as it was running away from me around 9:38, right? Me trying to figure all this out while it was running away from me, right? So what I did was I ended up buying GU, right? and I over leveraged here. I got in with 20, 20 fucking contracts because I just wanted to make it back. I wanted to make it back. Boom. It went up. Kind of made all the money back, but at the same time, it's just bad. It's bad risk. I got greedy. I wanted to see it go up to this high, actually run up there. Nope. The greed kicked my ass. Market kicked my ass. Came down, knocked, and then I exited out there, right? So as soon as that happened, right, I was thinking to myself, okay, should I sell? Should I just get in the sell? But price was already falling. I'm like, maybe I should just get in here, right? Just put my stop above. Like, I'm already tilting, right? I'm already over leveraging, right? Now this is just straight tilt, right? Over leverage. Now I'm tilting the account. Boom, I entered again. 20 contract. I was down like almost like 2,500 or shit. Once this started going, dropping down lower on me, and as it came up, got back to my break even, right? Well, close. I was about at $300,000 on the 300K account, which is basically back to close to break even. I only got like what $1,000 before I blow the account, or 1,500, some shit like that. Whatever, right? Not 1,500, 1,000 or some shit, right? Kept going lower against me, and then right here is where it finally hit me. It was holding it a bit, but I had like $200 left right here, and then it finally knocked me out there. And you guys ain't gonna catch me crying on here because I already did all of it. I already fucking. I want to cry again, but y'all not gonna catch me doing it on here. You know what I mean? This is tough. It's so bad. It's really, really bad because, for one, the sell that I took would have worked out. Oh, and mind you, while I was trying to make these decisions, my power was cutting out. Shutting off my whole PC, shutting off my internet while I'm in the middle of trying to perform, while I'm in the middle of trying to trade, while I'm trying to make decisions. So I'm already emotional. I'm already trying to make trading decisions where it's not even like, it's kind of like where I had a draw, which this should have just stayed my draw, but I should have waited for better confirmation too, right? Should have waited for better confirmation. The confirmation wasn't really set to my rules. I kind of FOMO'd into this trade, but I could have just took that L. But at the same time, me taking this trade here and having that risk, and it hit me out before I even quote unquote lost the trade, when the trade was still valid, right? The trade was still valid. It hit me out. So it already made me mad. And then while it hit me out, then my power is cutting out while I'm trying to figure out why I got hit out, right? So that led to me tilting my account and losing it all, bruh. And I lost all my progress. I over leveraged my bank account just to get this account, and now it's gone. It's really really sad. It's really really sad. This is not good trading practices. I let one day blow me up, but from multiple things happening that I couldn't control. It felt like I couldn't control it. So I wanted a sense of control and wanted to tilt my fucking account just to make it all back. Man, it's like my 20th time doing this, and it's like, when am I just gonna? And the thing is, I'm able to take losses. You guys see me take losses. But when am I gonna nip it in the bud to where it's just not okay for that one day? I might not be in the right mental, just from a whole bunch of shit happening at once, right? I already on a losing streak. When am I gonna nip it in the bud to where I shouldn't just fucking tilt my account away and learn how to, like how Diego and all my my homie JC and all these other, learn how to crawl out of drawdown, which I have before, but why don't I have that mindset then? It's like I know all these things, but in the moment where it's just mentally, I'm not in a, especially because I'm trying to make money out of trading, and this is all I got, bruh. All I have. And it makes it harder, but like, I should know this. I should just understand by now, like, this should not happen. It's hard, man. It's hard, man. It's hard. I'm trying to express everything that as best as possible as I can of what happened today. And it's really the thing is like I'm really ashamed to show this because even though I'm not ashamed, but it's just like this is not what I want you to all to see. I want you guys to think that I'm a great trader. Of course. That's why everybody on social media wants other people to think that they know how to make the right decisions and know how to call price and shit like that, right? Guys, I want you guys to see that I can do that. And I want to show myself that I can do that, which I can. But one thing that I keep failing to do is to control myself when shit doesn't go my way. Which I have with trading. Look at my past videos. I have, right? I was able to take losses. But I need to be able to control it when multiple things just happens at once where it affects me. And it's always the same. The last time I went on tilt is because my power was going out. And I was trying to make decisions and I probably was in the trade I shouldn't even been in the first place, right? So all these things just it's like the same routine, right? The whole time I could have just saved this account, could have walked away, could have saved the account, could have took the $700, took the lockout, but I went to TradeAvate and unlocked my account. So what was the point of me even setting the lockout? I shouldn't even have to set a lockout. I should just be able to trade and stop myself from doing it instead of having a platform do it for me. Because whole time, to be honest with you, this would have been a W trade and I wouldn't have got to tilt mode and over leveraging. Even if this would have knocked me out probably by itself, took me out, I would have been fine because I took 2 losses before, but it's the fact that it took me out when my stop was already up here. So I'm just going crazy, bro. Like trying to figure out like, yo, what happened? Did Apex just take my account? Like what? I'm going crazy. So mixing that with my power cutting out and me losing just ended up me going from a 5 to a 10 on the tilt meter. But yeah, man. My plan now, I really don't know what to do. In that moment, I didn't know what to do. But my plan now is to not done making videos, of course, because this is all my journey, and I want to show when I do consistently get payouts and consistently able to keep account and the tilting is done, right? I can show myself in the future that that what happened today, I overcame it. You know what I mean? And I'm really emotional talking about this, bro, because it's just like it fucking sucks, bro. It sucks because I went on a 6 winning streak and some losses I could have avoided, and I could have got to the payout like this next month possibly and survived August, but I just threw it all away, bro. I threw it all away, bro, and shit hurts. It really hurts. But my next plan is I'm gonna try to get a Tradeify account, spend $500 on it, go straight to funding, 150K account with a $6,000 drawdown, and learn from this and consistently just make the right decisions and emotionally make the right decisions and just I have to write down like if my power is cutting out or shit happening, I just need to stop making decisions. and just accept the decisions that I make. And but this right here, this really this really hurt the fuck out of me. Just getting hit out right there, and I just went on spot. Not even I didn't even get hit out. Just my trade getting randomly closed by itself, and I forgot why. Cause I did that 2 months ago. I haven't hit my max. You know what I mean? But it happened. It happened now for me setting it a minute ago, a long time ago, maybe like a month ago. So I forgot all about it. So just emotions all around today. Just, man. I don't know how this video is gonna look and how it went for me explaining, but hopefully you guys can understand the reasons why. You know, there is reasons, but the reasons is really no matter what is. I can't validate what I did today because whole time I could have controlled the whole thing and by stopping, not try to control it by trying to fight the market back and get the shit back and get my wins back and not wins back, but get it back and shit. And what could have been a win today, just me looking at this, all of that would have never happened because I would have never exited this. I would have never tilted it on this. I would have never over leveraged on this. But me, this happening, plus me taking the previous stop out, plus power cutting out, man. What can I tell you? But yeah, Tradify account. I'm gonna try to get that. You know, and practice and continue to get better and practice proper risk management and mental management as well. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not gonna make it too long. Comment, like, dislike, whatever, bro. Give me your feedback. It could be hate. It could be hateful. It could be motivational. Whatever, bro. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.